In this video, I will show you how to create connection to Google Forms service and import responses into SQL Server table using COZYROC REST components. Run Visual Studio under Administrator account and create a new Integration Services project. Click on Data Flow tab and click here to add a new data flow task. From left side panel, scroll down and drag and drop REST source component on canvas. Double click on it and click New to create connection to Google Forms. From Configuration drop-down menu, scroll down and select Google Forms. Click here to provide your credentials and generate access token. Click Continue, and here we have generated access token. Let's save it. And we are ready to test our connection. Test connection succeed, click OK. From Resources drop-down menu, select Form Response. And here we have to provide form path. We can get the form path from the URL. I'm going to copy and paste it. And now we can click on Columns tab. I will select a few of them and click on Preview tab for data preview. Scroll down and drag and drop OLEDB destination component on canvas. Double click on it to configure your database connection. And click OK. Select source component and drag the blue arrow connecting source with destination. Double click on destination component, mapping tab, to map source with destination columns. Before to execute the project, let's see what do we have. We have 5 responses, which we are going to import into SQL Server table using COZYROC REST components. We are ready to execute the project. Package execution is successful. You can download COZYROC SSIS component suite from cozyroc.com. Thank you for watching this video.